So hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some cleaning motivation. I will be cleaning my living room, bedroom, and dining area, and this video is in collaboration with the lovely Slimpy Rose here on YouTube. I'm gonna let her introduce herself and then we will be getting into this cleaning motivation.
Hello and welcome to Just Simply Rose. Our channel is filled with cleaning and laundry motivation as well as organization and decluttering videos. Into DIYs, we have that here too. So once you're done enjoying this video, please head over to Just Simply Rose. Consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave me a comment so I can properly welcome you.
Make sure you guys go and check out Rose's channel. You are going to absolutely love her channel. She has tons of content, cleaning motivation, weekly vlogs, and my favorite, her videos to show you how to design your space. She is just a decorating diva, and if you struggle like I do with decorating, you are going to absolutely love her channel. Thank you, Rose, for doing this collaboration with me. I appreciate you so much. But you guys, let's get into this motivation. So I'm starting out in the living room. I usually start out in the back of the apartment and work my way up to the front, but since it was a disaster in the living room, I'm starting out here first. So I'm gonna start by picking up the trash, having LJ to help me gather his toys and put them away. All right, water break. Make sure you guys are drinking your water as you clean. It is the summertime. We need to stay hydrated. I want to take this time out to thank you, my returning subscribers, for coming back and checking out another video and supporting my channel. And if you are here from Rose's channel, thank you so much for taking the time to come on over and check me out and support my channel as well. I hope you like my content, that you will subscribe, okay? Be a part of my YouTube fam bam. And if you just stumble upon this channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support. Make sure you guys leave me a big like, because this helps my channel reach more viewers and help my community here on YouTube grow. Okay, so I went ahead and turned on some music on the TV because, y'all, I did not feel like fluffing the rest of these dang on pillows. So if you need to turn on some music or something to get you back motivated to clean up, go ahead and do it, sis. And I hope that you are staying motivated. Don't be like me. Stay motivated, and let's tackle these areas in our home together. Girl, I see you over there. Don't sit down. Keep going. Keep going. You got this, mama. Keep going. Okay, I'm finally in the dining room area. I'm going to start clearing off the table. I usually take this Walmart bag and I'm just going to collect all the kids' things. Once I head back to start cleaning up the bedroom, I'm going to drop all this stuff off to them.
Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más.
I'm using Mrs. Meyer's to clean the dining room table off. I love all the scents from this brand, but I will have everything linked and down below in the description box.
Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso eres tortolito, no queda bien, bebé. Mejor de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Que esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Serías para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades. Pero sincero, verdadero, baby.
Okay, I have made my way to the bedroom. I'm gonna start by clearing off the bed, and I apologize as these clips are dark, you guys. By the time I made my way back here, the sun was going down, and the way the window is positioned, it's no sunlight at all. So you guys, when I clean up my bedroom, I try to start with the bed first, but you guys, I'm always all over the place when it comes to cleaning my room. I go from one side of the room to the other side, and then I go back to the bed. It's just all over the place. This is not an organized clean, okay? I'm just cleaning, trying to get this room done because I was ready to be done.
A volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele.
Okay, finally, I am making the bed. We are making progress. You guys, my duvet cover was in the dryer and I was so nervous because this is a white blanket. It's usually not out on my bed like this, but as I said, the duvet was drying. You guys, if you are still cleaning, if you are still motivated, go ahead and give me a high five down in the comments. And I hope you are still moving. I hope you're still cleaning, because I know sometimes you want to just like, forget about it. But you got this. Keep going. And I hope I am motivating you enough to stay focused and stay cleaning. We're almost there. You got this, mama. So here I'm gonna go around and pick up everything off the floor. It was Legos, water bottle caps. I don't know why, y'all. I don't even know. I can't even explain it. It was just water bottle caps. Why? Why are they there? But I'm going around and picking up everything off the floor, the trash, putting things away, all that good stuff that comes along with cleaning a bedroom. All right, mama, you did it. You cleaned. You got the things that you needed to get done. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and hanging out and cleaning along with me. If you came from Rose's channel, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I will catch you guys in my next one.